Follow these steps to do so. Click on the Windows icon, and then click on the Settings icon. In the Windows Settings, click on Accounts. Your info window is open and below your account name. Click on the Sign in with a local account instead. In the confirmation window pop-up, click on the Next button. This will switch your account to local. A Windows security pop-up will appear. Type your existing Windows password and click on the OK button. Enter your local username. Leave the new password, confirm password, and password hint text fields empty. Click on the Next button. You will notice that the local account is appearing under your new username. Click on the Sign Out and Finish button. After completing these steps, the password will be removed from Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel